this sauce, I add the garlic and ginger and lemongrass and spicy blend. I add the coconut milk, and now I will add again the fish sauce. And then mix. Masarap ang aming dinner. This is called coconut shrimp curry cake. Yummy shrimp. Itong gulay na to galing to sa garden ko, bok choy. See, napakinabangan din siya. Magtanim lang tayo. At makakain din tayo sa ating tinatanim. Masarap. Yum yum.